Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain how you can create a Wise account. So let's jump right into it. First, open the Wise website at wise.com or download the Wise app. Click Sign Up, choose a personal or business account, and enter your email, password, and country. Next, fill in your personal details like your full name, date of birth, phone number, and address. Verify your identity by uploading a photo of your ID or passport and a selfie if requested. Once approved, your Wise account will be ready to use. Now, to add money, open the Wise app and go to the Home tab. Tap Add Money under your balance, enter the amount you want to add, and select your payment method, for example, debit card, credit card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay. Tap Continue, confirm your payment, and the funds will be added to your Wise balance instantly or within the given processing time. And that's it, you've successfully created your Wise account and added money to it.